In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. We're going to walk through a simple way to share downloadable files in your marketing emails by using HubSpot's file manager and links. Instead of attaching a file directly like you might in Gmail or Outlook, HubSpot works by hosting your file and then linking to it inside your email. Let's go through the process step by step. First, log into your HubSpot account. On the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. You'll see a series of icons there. Find the one for content and hover your mouse over it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Files. This is HubSpot's file manager, where all your uploaded documents, images, and other assets are stored. Inside the Files area, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Upload Files button. Click that, and a pop-up window will open, showing your computer's file browser. Navigate to the file you want to use as your attachment, select it, and then press Enter or click Open. Now wait a moment while HubSpot uploads the file. Once it's finished, you'll see your file appear in the list. Next, hover your mouse over that file in the list. You'll see an Actions drop-down button appear. Click on Actions, then move your cursor over the option that says Copy File URL. Another option will appear with the actual file URL. Click that, and HubSpot will copy the link to your clipboard. This URL is what we'll use in the email so that recipients can download the file. Now, go back to the left panel again, find Marketing, and hover over it. From the menu that appears, select Email. This will take you to your email dashboard. From your email list, find the email where you want to add the attachment. Hover over that email, and click Edit to open it in the email editor. Inside the email editor, you can either add a button or turn a piece of text into a link. In this example, we'll use text since it's quick and flexible. In your email body, type a short call to action, such as click here to download or download here. Highlight that text with your mouse. A small toolbar will appear above it. Click the Insert Link icon. A pop-up will open. Make sure URL is selected as the link type, then paste the file URL you copied earlier into the field provided. Once you've done that, your link is ready and your changes are automatically saved by HubSpot. Now your email recipients can click that text and instantly download your file.